Alright, so I just milled up some lumber on the sawmill, and I'm going to make some cold frames slash miniature greenhouse slash kind of little area for seed starting. That way we can get our seeds going and our garden planted hopefully soon in the next few weeks or so, depending on the weather. Everybody here locally says we'll get another 1 to 2 frosts, so we want to have something for our seeds. That way if we're not out here, they'll be protected from the elements. And we do plan on building a permanent greenhouse for all this stuff, but until our dirt work foundation stuff gets done, this is just kind of a temporary thing. And then once we know where everything's going to go, our dirt work's done, then we can kind of permanently put a greenhouse, a little play set, you know, different areas of around our house. But right now we just want something kind of temporary just to get us by for the next few months. So this is what I'm working with here, very professional, as you can see. Alright guys, what are we doing?